Platform engineering is dead. AI just buried it. Or maybe it did not. Yet. AI is here and it's not going anywhere. For platform engineering, it writes YAML, it speaks Terraform, it pretends to understand Kubernetes. Well, at least, probably better than you do. And now, on the back of my previous video DevOps is dead, which you can see here, a few among you reckon that AI buried platform engineering too, not only DevOps. But hang on a minute, maybe let's not just get carried away that quickly. AI might have been able to spit out fairly useful Terraform script for you. But can it build internal development platforms in under a minute while you are making a cup of tea for you and fixing that Jira ticket that someone forgot to close way back in 2019? Look, sure, the AI hype has already left the train station and the platform engineering feels like it might be on the tracks. But building a proper IDP, I'm afraid we're not there yet. What it can do now, though, is to interact with you, the platform engineer, and generate the Terraform script, or maybe even a Docker file if you are lucky and it might actually work. But somehow you still need a human to read it, to name the variables sensibly, and to figure out what it might have just hallucinated into existence that you didn't expect. So is that how AI ends platform engineering, slowly erasing the job, the titles, the whole team? Not quite. What is it doing is making life a little bit less miserable, a bit more automated, and possibly a little faster, which might not be a bad thing. Is this the end of platform engineering as we know it? No, I don't think so. It might just be trimming out the fat. And in all honesty, no one really wakes up excited to write another Helm chart or to translate vague product requirements into a pipeline glue. If AI can do that, let it crack on with it. But the big picture stuff, the decisions, the long-term mess, the real architecture, that is still on our end to sort out. Because AI doesn't know your team. It doesn't know your politics. It doesn't know that Jenkins jobs that's been running unmodified since the DevOps engineer, whom you didn't renew the contract recently, is no longer around, and no one can really fix it. It doesn't get why your rollback breaks everything, or why security is still slightly reluctant to approve that open source secrets manager that would make your job much easier. It just sees the code with no context. And the context is quite possibly the main reason why platform engineering even exists. So, should you be worried right now? I don't think so. Not really. The real danger is not necessarily AI taking your job. It's someone in management thinking that the AI does the job for you already. And so suddenly you are out of budget, while that plugin that someone installed in VS Code spits out pipelines no one can debug. Running on an infrastructure no one ever requested and no one really maintains. Adding just to the cloud costs and overhead. So no, platform engineering is not necessarily dead. It just has grown up a little bit. And with the right tooling and a bit more automation added from the AI side of things, it might quite possibly become the job that we always wanted to do. And on that note, long live platform engineering. Hopefully you will stick around longer than DevOps ever had. And if you like this video, I'm sure you will like the other one as well, where I buried the DevOps, where we actually did the funeral. Skeptikal Techie, I'm out. Cheers. See you in the next one.